Welcome to our GuardDog AI attack demo. Today, we'll flip the typical cybersecurity pitch on its head. Most vendors start from the outside, in the cloud, on your perimeter firewall or endpoint. You've heard the same story 1,000 times. Deploy our firewall, XDR, EDR, RMM, or SIEM. And yet breaches keep happening because the attacker lives in the gaps between devices and networks. Our demo today is all about what is in between. Desktop to desktop, network to network, cloud to edge, IoT/OT workloads, and everywhere traffic flows. That's where we place our agentless container-based sensors. They fingerprint devices, report vulnerabilities, detect Layer 2 and Layer 3 attacks in milliseconds, and contain them in real time, long before any high-level attacker can succeed. Cybersecurity spend tops $300 billion this year. Yet breaches and ransomware still make headlines because perimeter prevention fails. Tools like firewalls and XDR can only alert after an exploit has happened, leaving you chasing alarms. We solve the response gap: automatic, real-time defense inside your network. Here is where GuardDog AI comes in. With an agentless container sensor, which runs on container runtime infrastructure, with vulnerability fingerprinting that allows you to see every device and service in real time. Layer 2 and Layer 3 defense. Automatic man-in-the-middle detection in milliseconds. Automatic isolation. And, of course, holistic visibility with a single pane across cloud, data center, branch, and edge environments, with grouping and delegation features. Deployment takes minutes. Spin up the container, mirror network traffic to it, and you are live. No host agent, no switch reconfiguration, no service downtime. You can scale from one site to 17 sites, plus data centers, plus the cloud, or whatever your footprint is. For the demo today, we will show the dashboard. On the summary page, you get your overall posture, real-time attacks, and discovered vulnerabilities across all devices with our unique security score. Top 5 attacks, top 5 vulnerabilities, sensor containers, in a simplified visualization. Let's turn to the containers view. Here is our active sensor. It is already fingerprinting devices and monitoring traffic in real time. We will use the Kali Linux machine on the left as our attacker VM. We will have the Windows VM on the right posing as the target machine. This Windows VM has ICMP off and both public and private firewalls on. Let's go ahead and launch the attack now that the sensor is off. As you can see, the attack goes through without any issues. The gateway for the victim machine changes to that of the Kali VM, and I can ping Google and make a request. Now let's see what happens when we start the sensor and try the same attack again. Watch the ARP table on the Kali machine. We launch the attack, and now all entries are zeroed out, as you can see. But the gateway on the victim machine did not change. Watch what happens if we try to ping Google or the gateway from the Kali machine. There, we have effectively isolated the Kali machine on the network without impacting it or making any modifications to the broader network. That containment happens peer-to-peer, no network-wide impact, no port shutdowns. Blink and you may miss it, but your network has not. Compare that to traditional XDR or SIEM, where detection often takes minutes or hours and containment even longer. Meanwhile, in the time it takes a typical tool to notify you, GuardDog AI detects, isolates, and sends you a notification noting an attack on your network. Every second counts while an attacker can pivot, escalate, or choose to deploy ransomware. GuardDog turns that on its head. Milliseconds to detect, seconds to contain. We complement firewalls, XDR, SIEM, and any other tools in your stack. Those products address device and user-centric gaps. We fill the in-between, Layer 2 and Layer 3 attack surface visibility and automated enforcement. No more blind spots. GuardDog AI delivers attack detection in seconds, deploys anywhere in minutes, complements existing tools, and transforms your security economics. Let's schedule a technical session for your architects or a customer-facing webinar next.